Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will learn about the oxygen sensor in Yezdi Adventure. It is mounted to the silencer just above the catalytic converter. Oxygen sensor is also known as lambda sensor, that is derived from Greek. Lambda means air-fuel ratio in the combustion. Oxygen sensor is responsible for the rich and lean mixtures in combustion. Here the connector has 4 wires, that is black, grey and 2 white wires. Black wire acts as a signal voltage and grey wire is as ground, and other 2 white wires are for the heater circuit. Here we do 2 tests on oxygen sensor. First we will remove the cable ties that is attached to the connectors. Then slowly open the connector by lifting it and pushing. So first we will check the ground and confirm it that grey wire is ground. So using a multimeter in continuity mode and a copper wire inserted into the grey wire port, negative is connected to the chassis ground and positive to the copper wire, confirming that least resistance and a beep that indicates a ground to the connector. So grey wire is the ground and black wire is the signal voltage, and 2 white wires are for heater circuit. Now we will check the signal voltage. We will insert the copper wire in port 1 corresponding to the black wire. Then connect the both connector and port. Start the engine. Put the multimeter in the voltage mode DC 20 volts. Now we will check the signal voltage across the black wire with the engine started. So it should fluctuate around 0.1 to 0.9. Below 0.5 means it is running on lean mixture, that is less fuel and more air. Above 0.5, that is closer to 0.9, means it is running on rich mixture, that is more fuel and less air. That is how you check the signal voltage. Now we will check the heater circuit of oxygen sensor. Now we need not on the engine, just remove the connectors and measure the resistance across the 2 white wires which are related to the heater circuit. So put the multimeter in resistance mode 200 and measure the resistance. It should be around 10 to 30. As I start the engine, the oxygen sensor might be hot, so the resistance is more. So that is how you check the oxygen sensor in Yezdi Adventure. If you find the information useful, please like the video and share. And also don't forget to subscribe to the Baby Adventure channel for more informative videos about Yezdi Adventure. Thank you.